So back in '09, I was in Seattle's University District, and I was going to check out a joint that was known for this knockout Trinidad food. Now, as soon as I tasted it, I told Pam, listen, you got to get ready for a line out the door, and she did. It's a new location, but the food is still rocking. This is Pam's Kitchen.
Before jerk chicken dinner. Trinidad food is a combination of Creole and Indian. Just very tasty. It makes your mouth just keep wanting to eat it. Jerk chicken?
It's very quaint and has a great atmosphere, and it's absolutely delicious.
We watch the Triple D all the time, and we saw Pam's story, and Miss Pam knows what she's doing.
Okay, we have a gourmet salad.
So Pam Jacobs, I mean, she started as a housekeeper with $1,500 to open this location. It's gonna be fine. Don't you even worry about this, Pam. I mean, she puts her heart into everything she makes. So we're making buttery, flaky bread?
Yeah.
It's called Parlay the Rotary?
Paratha roti.
We're gonna make some paratha roti. Write that down.
In Trinidad, it's also called the bus up shut.
Oh gosh, don't start.
He throw in a little joke in between.
Could be risky.
I love that guy. We're gonna do the dad food. So we start. I use 7 cups of flour.
Pam, that's not a cup.
7 of this, but it's 4 cups. Yeah.
Her method's a little unconventional, a little strange to me.
I think he take the food really well. He was rolling the roti and he was like perfect. Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
Get that on tape.
Because we're gonna start beating that roti. I never had Trinidadian food before.
All for you at home, suffering through this right now. You feel the pain. That's killer.
I feel very happy that he tasted my first. We're gonna make peleau. Some salt,
Black pepper.
a little habanero, of course. One of my customers would describe my peleau as jambalaya, but I've never had jambalaya, so I use that on him. So in New Orleans, there's a mix-up with all the rices and all that.
Jambalaya.
Right. This is similar to it, but with a whole lot more flavor. I never had it.
The rice is nice and tender. The chicken thigh is moist. That's delicious. Everything I've had here has been delicious. Crazy, delicious.
Crazy. I like that one. Before he leave, he gave me the biggest hug, and he said, "Not tomorrow." He said, "Not tomorrow, today. You should extend this place because you're gonna have a line." And it did. We had a line. We had a line that went all the way around the block.
So she picked up and moved to a bigger place. Plus, added a few new things to her menu, like her Trinidadian take on Jamaican jerk pork ribs.
So we start with ketchup, soy sauce, barbecue sauce for the smokiness, sugar.
But it's the habaneros that she throws in that really kicks up the spice factor.
So I'm making sure it's really well coated and gives it that spicy goodness. So this is now ready for temperature 145 for 1 hour. The pork spare ribs.
It starts off with a nice sweet flavor, and then the spice comes in towards the end. It was super flavorful and cooked great.
Really spiced and seasoned. Love it.
I wanted to do lunch, and I didn't want to do the same thing we do for dinner. That's how I came up with the deep-fried coconut bake. That's a traditional wood from Trinidad. We fry our dough and we call it bake. It's infused with the coconut milk and the coconut flakes. Makes you feel like you're in the Caribbean. Salad, a little dressing, and then we put the pork in. This is my Jira pork, the coconut bake sandwich.
Coconut bread is heavenly food. It's soft on the inside, just kind of wants to melt in your mouth.
It's got a crisp to it, but it's still spongy and absorbs all the flavor. It's just an excellent compliment.
And I get people from Europe, England, the world know about me.
If I lived here in this area, I'd be here once a week. I mean, it's simple, it's basic, it's got great flavor, there's good depth, I think it's a good value.
It's the most beautiful gift that I could have ever received.
You're great. You are one great cook.